Kevin G with a weather overview, and what a storm on Thursday. If you were a snow lover, you were just in absolute heaven with a severe snowstorm that hit the tri-state area. And these were the snow totals. You could see well over a foot in areas in orange, with areas in the yellow areas 10 inches or more. So basically, I would say 75–80% of the tri-state area had double-digit snowfall totals in and around the area, and with blizzard conditions out on Long Island. So we await another winter storm, and for the immediate tri-state area, this is not going to be a snowmaker, but we'll take a look at it. Here's NOAA with their winter storm watches that are currently in effect north and west of New York City for the potential for 2 to 5 inches or more of snow and some ice here. And if you're in Connecticut, I'd be very wary of this. I'd be watching this throughout the day, even if you're on the coast, even though you're not in the winter storm watch, because this is a situation which cold air can just hang on and really be very tough to route out during the storm. Elsewhere across the region, New York City, Long Island, this is more of a wintry mix situation with the potential for up to 2 or 3 inches of snow and ice. But I think the bigger deal for the city, Long Island, and New Jersey is strong, potentially damaging winds Sunday night into Monday. So we'll get into it. Intellicast.com has your temperatures right now. We're in the 40s with breaks of sun developing throughout the day. Definitely a far cry from yesterday where it was frigid out with the winds from the departing snowstorm and temperatures not making out of the 20s. And when you woke up yesterday morning, temperatures were in the upper teens. So quite a temperature roller coaster that we've been on. We started out on Wednesday afternoon with temperatures breaking records for high temperatures in the 60s. And then we had our blizzard on Thursday. So this is the way it goes with the developing storm. I'm going to back it up here off the NAM. And snow and ice should break out tomorrow afternoon around lunchtime and then continue throughout the day and into the night with a gradual change to plain rain at times along the coast. Again, not much accumulation for the city, Long Island, and points south, as this low pressure area is tracking basically over New York City and Long Island. So everybody north of that area is the areas that are prone to get the snow. But near Route 84, interior Connecticut, all across the Hudson Valley, Poughkeepsie, Albany, there's a potential here for 6 to 12 inches of snow, especially Poughkeepsie and points north. And you can see how this progresses during the day as it continues to rain along the coast, and then you have that frozen precipitation and snow inland. So if you're traveling Sunday night into Monday across New England, it's still going to be snowing. And then this cyclone starts to really intensify as it works east of the region. We lose the rain and we lose the precipitation late tomorrow night, but then strong, potentially damaging winds develop on Monday with the potential for gusts up to 60 miles an hour. And that's going to be region-wide. So that's a very important part of the forecast here as we take a look at Weather Underground. Very important part of the forecast, not to be overlooked, is the potential for strong winds on Monday. For New York City, Long Island, it's mainly a mix to rain for tomorrow, with points north potentially getting in on up to 6 inches of snow, especially in those winter storm watch areas, and even heavier snow as you go further north.